I'll make it really quick, okay? So you all know we just released the hallucination model, and actually give you a quick question, how is ours different from BART, okay? So if you go to our project card, you can take a look. We benchmarked our hallucination evaluation model on several public data sets, and this is our accuracy, okay? So you can see earlier we mentioned that, for example, and if you look at our performance on these data sets with other, at least the public data sets, we are the best in the world at this point. All right, so RAG gives you the summary, right? So the next question you want to, if you use our API, your concern is how accurate is this summary given this document cited. So we provide you this HHEM model to do that, actually. So let me give you some quick demo of some made up, of some actual examples in hallucination benchmarks. So the first one, actually, so let's see. Well, the first one, the source document says the goldfish are being caught weighing up to 2 kilograms, and the koi carp up to 8 kilograms and 1 meter in length. Suppose here we have a summary, like this. It says koi can be as heavy as 2 kilograms and as long as 1 meter. Do you think it's hallucinated? Yeah, right, because the weight here, 2 kilograms, is about the goldfish, not about koi, okay? And so here's another one I made up. So this is the document is the Ebola and the COVID vaccine example I gave earlier. And I just write a random sentence that says you won't get COVID-19 vaccine this year, okay? So this is not hallucinated, right? Because remember the example I gave says scientists say it's going to take a really long time to develop the vaccine, a long time for FDA to approve it. So okay. So if you have in order to use our HEM, all you need to do is to combine the source and the summary, and you add a special separator called SEP, which if you're familiar with BERT, you know that's a separator for sentences. Adding, and you together you combine them to one sentence, and you feed to our model. And here, this demo actually does not use our hosting service because our model has been open sourced on Hugging Face. So you can make a query to our model on Hugging Face. And here we give you the score, okay? So the higher the score is, the more likely this summary is not hallucinated, which means it's more faithful to the given source. If it's closer to 0, it means it's very likely to be ungrounded, okay? So you can see the third one I give is this COVID-19 vaccine case, okay? Because the summary is actually in line with the source, so therefore the score is very close to 1, which means it's not hallucinated, it's very faithful. We can consider this score as a faithfulness score. While the first one about the 2 fishes, you can see actually the score is pretty low, which means it's very, very inaccurate.